Hi, welcome online classes. Myself, Mr. Bausaib Dabhade, your geography teacher. Student, last online lecture we discuss about geography chapter number 1 concept of time. Let us now today to be continue on this topic. Student, time is important because it tells us exactly when things happen or may happen. Early human beings could tell the time by looking at the sun as it crossed the sky. They could also tell the time by measuring the length of their shadows. करेक्ट. पुराने ज़माने में लोग टाइम कैसा कंसिडर करते थे? सन की शैडो की वजह से. अंडरस्टूड. Introduction part. Earth. This is a globe image. Earth is our planet, and Earth size and shape spherical size, geoid shape. There are 7 continents on the earth and 5 big water bodies: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, and Antarctica. These are the 7th continent. India, our country name is India, and India is located in Asia continent. Correct? So the globe and over all the earth size and shape is very important for all the human beings. Last lecture we discussed about time or clocks. There are number of types of clocks: sundial, hourglass, clock. There are three important hand in clock. Number one, the hour hand. Number two, the minute hand. And number three, the second hand. These all the three hands plays very important role in time management and timing. Correct? Dear student, today we discuss about new point watches, digital watch or wristwatch. Correct? We wear watches on our wrist. Watches do the same work, they tell us the time. Nowadays, we use digital clocks to say time. The modern techniques and the scientific issues are very good developed in overall the world. So that's why these modern techniques, digital clocks and digital watches and wrist watches are developed. We observe in world many students, boys and girls wear the wristwatch. This wrist or digital watch show the accurate timing. Correct. So the watch is very important for the timing. Next point, anti-meridian and post-meridian. First we discuss about anti-meridian means AM. Anti-meridian normally the abbreviated AM, Latin for before midday. A day begins at 12 midnight. After midnight, the 12 hours till just before midday are writing as AM. Antemeridium means AM. This is a Latin word. Correct. We know that it takes 12 hours for the hour hand to move one round the clock. A day has 24 hours. This means that the clock show the same time at two different points in a day. We use AM antemeridium and PM postmeridium to mark the difference between the two in the above situation. Correct. पूरे के पूरे 24 आवर्स को हमने डिवाइड किया है. दिस इज़ अ लैटिन वर्ड AM एंड PM. 24 आवर्स को 12 आवर्स के दो ग्रुप में डिवाइड किया है. AM मीन्स मिड नाइट 12 o'clock टू आफ्टरनून 12 o'clock. मतलब रात के 12 बजे से दिन के 12 बजे तक का जो टाइमिंग है, इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज एंटेमेरिडियम. AM means before midday. This is a Latin concept. Understood? Next, PM means post meridian. The 12 hours clock is a time convection in which the 24 hours of the day are divided into two periods. AM from Latin antemeridium. the translating to before midday, and PM from Latin post meridium, translating to after midday. Each period consists of 12 hours numbered, 12 acting as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. The 24 hours day cycle starts at 12 midnight, usually indicate as 12 am, runs through 12 noon, usually indicates as 12 pm. पीएम का मतलब पोस्ट मिरेडियम, मिड डे दोपहर के 12 बजे के बाद मिड डे 12 ओ नून पीएम स्टार्ट होता है. ये पीएम पूरे के पूरे 12 आवर्स का है, रात के मिड डे के 12 बजे तक. रात के 12 बजे से दिन के 12 बजे तक एएम, दिन के 12 बजे से स्टार्ट होता है, रात के 12 बजे तक पीएम. एंटी मेरिडियम, बिफोर, post meridium, after. Understood? This is a after midday and before midday. This is a Latin word, AM and PM. Understood this concept? Next point, calendar. Calendar show us the day, week, month and year. Understood? There are 7 days in 1 week. 4 weeks make a 1 month. There are 30 or 31 days in a month except February, which has 28 or 29 days. Each year is made up of 12 months. There are 365 days in a year except in a leap year, which has 366 days. A leap year has 29 days in February and occurs once in 4 years. So calendar is very important role. Calendar show there are the days, week and months. 365, approximately 365 days in 1 year. Okay, 7 days in a week, 4 weeks in a month, 30 or 31 days in a month. This is a concept. There are 12 months. Look at the picture in image of 2021 calendar. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. These are the 12 months. Understood? Calendar show the week, month, day and year. So calendar is the most important because over all the time management and timeline. Next, you can learn the number of day in each month using your nicks. Make a first as show in the picture. All the grows have 30 days. April, June, September and November. The nukes or the rise parts have 31 days. January, March, May, July, August, October and December. Some months are 30 days and some months are 31 days. So this is a random system by your hand, use of the hand nukes. This is a system of the observation 30 or 31 months. Understood? Dear student, today we learn about the concept of time, importance of times and watch. The modern digital watch, a very important role for the accurate time purpose. And most important concept, AM and PM. AM means antemeridium. This is a Latin word, means up before midday. And post meridium, PM, means the after midday. This is a Latin concept. And today we discuss about one more important concept, calendar. Remaining part on this chapter we will discuss in next online lecture. Thank you. Take care.